Entry after sunset is banned here. Not by locals, by the government. And no other fort in India has this exact rule. So what's really here after dark? India has thousands of mysteries. So I started mapping them. And the first state has a place where entry is banned after sunset. We start with Rajasthan, and one of the most talked about places in the country, Bhangad Fort. During the day, it looks completely normal. People walk in, take photos, explore the ruins, and leave. Nothing feels unusual. Until evening. As the sun starts going down, everything changes. The light fades, the place gets quieter, and people begin to leave, quickly. Because staying inside is not allowed. At the entrance, there's a board. Placed by the Archaeological Survey of India. It clearly says, no entry after sunset. This is not just advice. It's enforced. So the question is simple. Why this place? What makes Bhangad different from hundreds of other forts? Some visitors say they felt uncomfortable here. Like someone was watching them. Some say they heard sounds, even when no one was around. And some people walk through the same place. And feel absolutely nothing. Same location. Completely different experiences. So let's pause the stories for a moment. And look at facts. There are no lights inside the fort. Once it gets dark, visibility drops fast. The structures are old and damaged. Broken walls, uneven steps, open areas. It's easy to trip, fall, or get seriously injured. And this region has wild animals. At night, the risk increases. So from a safety point of view, the rule makes sense. But here's where it gets interesting. There are many places like this across India. Old structures, no lighting, same risks, but they don't have this level of attention. So why did Bhangad become so famous? One reason is the story people keep repeating. A legend about a man who became obsessed with a princess. A failed attempt to control her. And a curse placed on the entire place. It sounds dramatic, but there's no solid historical proof for the story. No verified records. No strong evidence. Yet, the story continues to spread. So what's really happening here? Part of the answer is psychological. When you enter a place already labeled as dangerous or haunted, your brain starts working differently. Silence feels louder. Small sounds feel important. Shadows look like movement. Your senses become sharper. And your mind starts filling the gaps. But even that doesn't explain everything. Because not everyone reacts the same way. Some people feel completely normal here. Others feel intense discomfort. Same place, same environment, different reactions. That's what makes this place interesting. It sits right between fact and perception. There are real reasons for the restrictions. There are stories that people believe. And there are experiences that vary from person to person. But there's no clear proof of anything beyond that. And that's the key point. Bhangad is not just about fear. It's about how people interpret a place. We explored one mystery in Rajasthan. And we are not leaving the state yet. Because there are more places here. With completely different stories. Next, we go deeper into another mystery from Rajasthan. Subscribe if you want the full India mystery map. Because this is just the beginning.